I'm called Jonah Danombe. I'm the Agric Extension Officer for the Climate Action Model Village. This project is being implemented by AFAD with the support from AWO International and the funding from BMZ. This project is being implemented in Nyaravur Sub-County, Nebi District, and in Alue Sub-County in Pakwach District. The goal of the project is that the community of Nebi and Alue are resilient to climate change, health, and economic shocks. And basically, this project has 4 pillars. We have the climate smart agricultural intensification. This is pillar 1. We have livelihood diversification, pillar 2. Here's community health is under pillar 3. Environmental biodiversity and conservation, that is pillar 4. Pertaining this project, I'm directly linked to pillar 1, that is climate smart agricultural intensification. Basically, under this pillar 1, we are looking at engaging the farmers in the different agricultural activities like production of cassava, Narok as one. It is a cassava variety that is resistant to disease like mosaic and brown streak disease. It is a sweeter variety and also it is tolerant to heat. The project is also ensuring that sweet potato variety called Naspot, it is a orange flesh, is also produced within the community that the project is being implemented. The second last crop is sorghum. We are focusing on the variety called SSO3. The last crop that the project is making sure the community plant is banana. It is the only perennial crop that the project, the beneficiaries should plant. All these 4 crops is to enhance food security within the project area and also bring incomes. Projects also engage farmer into the poultry production, and the project has supported the beneficiaries with a total of 1,875 chickens. Each beneficiary receive 5 out of the 5 for local hens and a broiler cock. We also gave out inputs like cassava cuttings, the potato vines, oxens. Each groups received 4 pairs. The project still gave out the spray pump so that in case of pest and disease management, it is that spray pump that they will use to help them spray their crops. And also the project gave different trainings. The establishment of demo, that is where learning takes place, so that they can use the different agronomic practices to enable them manage their fields. We have lead farmers that are directly linked to management and also training of group members on the different agronomic practices. Then we also have poultry paravets that are giving training and also monitoring the lives of the different chickens that are in the community. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tobias Mongojakisa, Environment and Climate Change Officer AFAD under the Climate Action Model Village, the CHAM project. Here we are in Nyaravur in one of the food forests. It's one of the 20 food forests established across Alue and Nyaravur sub-counties. It is one of the food forests that a number of trainings that have been conducted has been practiced on too. In this food forest, we have a variety of tree seedlings established, assorted tree seedlings comprising of oranges, lemon, mandarin, Gemelina, giant lira, calyandra, cashnut, mango, and soursop. All these trees were planted, scattered, ensuring that they are not close to each other. Because they have wider canopy, so they were spaced so that element of spacing is considered for better yields. And last, we finished with those trees, especially the timber and the fuel wood tree seed species. that were planted in these remaining holes in between. All these tree seedlings were planted at a general spacing of 3 by 3 meters across. Lessons learned during the various training, especially the sensitization, first and foremost was the soil and watershed conservation, where we have the grass bands planted also in this garden. Farmer marine natural regeneration was one of the trainings that was conducted to these farmers, and it was also done and practiced in this food forest. We also have how pitting is supposed to be done, and all these pits were dug at a general depth of 30 centimeters deep and 30 centimeters wide. This is to enable enough space for better root establishment and survival in hard climatic conditions and better one. However, in the first season, as you can see, these tree seedlings they are of different heights, and yet some are of the same species. They are planted, others were planted in the first season, and others were planted in the second season, which is as well as known as the gap filling season. And that is why they have different heights. And the reason that's why we lost a number of trees was because of the long dry spell. We also have one of the soil and water conservation measures, which is the smile balm, which has also been practiced into this field. This is to ensure enough water is retained into the field for the betterment of the tree seedlings and better growth. We also provided 12,755 tree seedlings at household level, of assorted tree seedlings at household level, comprising of macadamia, lemon, oranges, mandarin, giant lira, and white teak, and calyandra. These are to have a number of activities sorted. First and foremost, nitrogen fixation into the soil, fruits to improve on the diet, giant lira and white teak to provide both timber and fuel wood for home consumption. This is to ensure our people are healthy, have enough funds, and are doing well in all aspects. 30 people from all the 15 CSCGs, a male and female, were mobilized and trained as the energy saving stove champions on how to construct energy saving stoves known as Rocket Lorena and shielded fire stoves. These people were trained and are supposed to come back to the ground to train other group members on how to construct these two types of energy saving stoves with the less smoke production. This is all to ensure a tree cutting effect is reduced at the end, and we have healthy family. These people have so far been trained and they have come back, and as we talk right now, all the 30 energy saving stoves have constructed their stoves, both Rocket Lorena and the shielded fire stoves, and as well as non-project members have so far 5 people from Alui and 2 in Nyaravur sub-county who have also loved the technology and have requested this people to construct for them. And these, when we do by next year, March, and when these are all used, we shall have reduction in fuel wood consumption. We shall have a healthy homesteads with less smoke produced when cooking. And finally, we shall have a clean environment. Thank you.